Let's look quickly at an example of financial audit for Tate Organization. I'll go through all the sections and explain them. Now this document is available online. In this address, you can view this document on this address. Let's have a look at the table of contents. So you have your executive summary, background and acknowledgement, aims, scope and limitation, method, about the organization, the company, Tate Organization, financial review, recommendation. You will then have conclusion. Here I've included SWOT analysis. Some people would include the SWOT analysis in the appendix. Executive summary. You talk a bit about the organization, what you have reviewed, in this case financial statement for 2004 to 11, and you start by placing your recommendation here. So this is the first page that people will probably read, and what they need to see is the result of your audit. That is to say, they need to read the recommendation. They appear here at the beginning of your document. Section 2, background and acknowledgement. This is where you talk about yourself as the auditor, why you have carried out this audit. Third section is the aims of this audit, what it is meant to achieve. You continue with the scope and the limitation. There are always limitations. Usually, the limitation will be the information that are available. So you mention what are the information that were available to you. Section 5 is the methods, how you carried out your research. In this case, comparison of Tate annual accounts. And then we said that the review was carried as follows: looking at current project, financial statement, management control, and compliance with the law. You continue to section 6, which is about the organization, your company, in this case about the Tate Organization. So you would write about the history and the legal status of your organization, the current structure. There's a organizational structure diagram here. You continue to your operations with the organization aims and strategics, and you would include your reference at the bottom of the page. If it is a printed document, on the bottom of each page you have your footnotes with the reference where the information was obtained from. You continue with the vision, the mission of Tate Gallery, its market strategy. Tate has 4 types of market strategy, which are defined as art and ideas, so it's explained here, audiences, improvement, and they're also talking about future developments. Then you go to your 7th chapter, which is your financial review. So I've reviewed assets, net assets, liabilities, revenue, expenses, funds, and cash flow. Looking in focus on net assets and position for the last 3 years. Continue with equity and endowments. So this is consolidated cash flow. Breaking it down, looking at net cash inflow. Continue to average growth and current ratio table. Capital structure analysis. And then of course recommendation. In this case, the overall performance of Tate Organization is really good, but there are few recommendations. The current ratio, for example, was good, but cash and liquid assets available were not that healthy. Final conclusion. Now, after the conclusion, I've included the SWOT analysis. Of course, strengths are internals, weaknesses are internals, opportunities and threats are externals. Then you include your appendix, anything else that you want to add. For example, balance sheets. This is balance sheets projected to 2015, could be included here. Income statement projected to 2015, and cash flow statement.